Hello, beautiful souls. I hope you're safe and healthy. My name is Bhawna Chopra. I'm a mother, lawyer, to-be author, and a life re-imprinting coach. I'm helping and supporting people who feel stuck in their present situation, but they're looking towards a way to a better future. From last 13 years, I am dealing with the relationship issues. When relationship as a term comes, people can only think about married couples or at the most about parenting. But are these the only two areas where a guidance or the support from a relationship expert or a coach is required? What about the situation when you're dealing with your friends or your colleague or somebody from your neighborhood? Or maybe the other members of your family? There also you need some relationship guidance. So I am using different techniques from last 13 years and especially NLP from last 1 year. So I am coming up with those different techniques and my personal experience at NLP India Summit 2020 organized by Vibrant Concepts. See you at the summit.